To the showers.
No. We rushed through the alleyway to A.
Lead the way.
Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Pop dog.
Ivy?
I'm go.
What? Did you call me nigga?
Cool guy.
Imagine fucking calling that in the major. Why you just call me?
A Eggnog.
I don't have a spawn. You guys go ahead.
Damn.
Oh fuck! I thought we were going through fucking B.
Ivy.
Pop dog. Jump through CJ so they don't hit you in the dunk. Oh my
Fuck
god!
you.
Oh my
there,
god,
walk
what the fuck?
They all were there for some reason.
They're all reloading.
So lit. Thank you.
Let's go.
Were they all there though?
Nice try.
So we should have went to B.
Is that the fucking Randy? Oh, it is Randy. Lord.
I am Lord Yaya. I need to line someone up right here.
Tech 9 rush. Tech 9 rush.
My heart.
Go rush B. Let's go rush B.
I like it. It's so free right now.
So free. Let's go.
Soaring!
Going straight down.
I'm going to the up.
To the up.
It's
Oh,
free,
he
it's free.
pushed out connector? Yeah, yeah.
That's
The
not
one-
free from where I was.
On the water tank.
Oh, we couldn't get the. You don't get bombed down.
I has no idea.
It wasn't me. Shaggy.
We should take a look.
I went out. I decided to go up and didn't work out.
Okay, let's chalk it up. We'll do another one for the road.
Yep.
That's where we win.
Oh no. It's only 2 rounds.
It's over.
I've seen us deal with worse.
Nah.
They have an op guaranteed.
Oh, I'm dead.
I got you.
I'm dead.
Another one.
The fuck's happening here?
God. God. Oh my God.
I got you.
Oh my god, I saw, dude.
I saw it, dude.
So it's Whitney Houston right now. Pretty good.
What's in Houston? What?
Whitney Houston.
Oh, okay. Oh gosh.
Well, shit.
And he dinks me, bro. Fuck that.
Oh,
Bro,
yeah, yeah.
man.
Okay. Is it?
Oh, headshot machines. good.
Oh.
I hear him here. I'm in con. Is this con?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a monkey standing on a train, I know it.
Monkey.
No! Oh! Who shot me?
Porch
Not
monkey.
like this.
Monkey.
Porch monkey. Let's get this dust. This is wild.
Oh, get owned. Get pwned. Tag them right side.
Oh my god, man. It fucking sucks.
They don't
Oh.
know.
It's pretty bad.
Kobe. That guy got domed. They want to fuck on me? Okay.
I keep getting bumped so hard.
What the
Hey,
fuck?
room.
Shit.
Oh,
What a flash. Flash nobody but myself.
I'll flash again. Never mind. Nice.
Isn't that?
What? Below us. Below job.
Oh, fuck. Just getting salted now.
Where?
Right.
Yeah, watch right side.
On the train. He dropped. His spray. Oh, good molly.
Maybe I just need more.
Achilles. Nice.
No time.
You see him in the corner. Fuck.
He gave up. Opper, fuck
Oh
you.
no. Holy
Better.
fuck.
Nice. Good plant.
One's on CT side.
Bro, two.
There's so
Oh
many
my
angles to
God.
train, man. It's...
Why did you just spot the bomb?
Oh,
He wants the highlights, okay?
Bro, just plant the fucking bomb, dude.
could have swore I heard him.
Oh.
He was planting it.
He
Yeah, then
wasn't
he
just
stopped.
to fight.
Fucking retard, man.
What a crazy guy.
No bomb.
Dibs on his AK.
I got it.
Oh, get clapped.
Nice
Too far,
shot.
too far, too far. Far in the distance.
Yo, there's three. Good
Oh
message.
my god.
Empty.
Where?
It's just not my day, Joel. It's just not my day, man.
All good.
I have no eyes. I'm just chilling. I think one went to Ivy to our spawn. Three.
One's close to me. You got a connector?
I don't know.
No, I can hear him. He's walking. One of them is.
Oh yeah, one's still Ivy.
Oh my god. He was a fucking cunt.
I like that mid fight range.
Alright, man. Sure.
Bro, man, like, fuck this map. Just get it over with. Let's play another game, fuck.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a piss.
Get domed, man.
Oh.
Ivy.
Damn it.
Sucks. There's like 2 Ivy for sure. Oh, whiffed! Oh
What
no!
the
That's
fuck?
awkward, that's awkward. Let's go.
What?
Nice.
I left the game.
Oh, what? He whiffed that too? Oh, nice try.
You pussies, 85 and 3. Oh my god.
That's crazy, yo. You had some plot armor there. They couldn't hit you.
left the game.
Holy fuck, that's so awkward. The guy ran out of bullets, I ran out of bullets.
Get domed.
Oh man, that's funny.
You were smart
no
enough
money.
to switch to your pistol, though. Smart man.
Quick draw, you know, quick draw.
They're gonna
I'll
blow
take
the
it
smoke,
Molotov.
aren't they?
But this guy dropped his gun. Oh, I dinked him.
Nice.
Oh, I thought that was the guy you killed.
Oi! Good try on the knife.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Steal that.
nice.
Yes!
Just jacked him.
Can I have my up back?
Alright, I gotta get a kill this round.
Take that AK, yo.
Just kidding.
No, because you only have 900.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I sold the AK so I can buy an op. Thanks, man.
I like it.
Just hanging around. Oh, damn it, Orange.
As if I'm losing these fights. I don't know what that call out is. Popped up. Doggy pop?
Nice. Real close. Thank you.
One's lit, so.
Oh, he's in there. Nice. I plant now.
Very nice. Now let's make it full.
This is definitely a train-sided map.
Good Joel, I got you.
Oh, sige. Thank you.
They can't kill both of us.
Can't kill 3 of us.
Yep.
He's lit.
Oh,
Shit.
Ivy
oh,
to
please go
Ivy.
fast.
There you go.
Oh, you seen him.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
It's so doable.
Ah, fuck, he hurt me. Ah,
And a T.
Papoy.
Remember, this isn't the killing house anymore. This is real life.
We line them up, up, up. We line them up. Where's A?
Eagle first round? Crazy.
You didn't see nothing.
Peek out that.
About to see
Felt that now.
ace.
No face. No face. No face. No face. Ah, I missed every shot. Bommy.
I have Kid Ivy.
Oh. Oh my god. You're not getting Trey Young. Take it easy.
That was last game.
Deal notwithstanding.
Must be Swift as coursing rain.
Come on, chop chop. Throwing smoke. Smoke.
The hell? Nobody. Nice.
Grenade out.
Did you clear T-spawn siege?
No, I just left Ivy now.
It's B though.
Is it B?
Yep.
My god. There's one there, CJ.
Oh, they fucked off B.
To the right.
Oh, it's last
Ooh,
guy.
Maybe they went A.
Last guy.
What's last guy?
Bomb still up.
Oh, he's on
Bomb.
A.
You guys still have bomb. No, that guy still has bomb.
I didn't know that. I didn't know he was that close. I'm not gonna lie.
Aya, Papi Chulo.
No way! What?
Oh, good try.
Oh my god. We had bomb.
Oh,
He didn't call it
man.
out.
I didn't even know we had bomb. Why that? Anyways.
To the next map. Let them win. It's gonna deal.
Boom.
I'll just get a quick another map going.
Maybe nuke next match.
Oh god, I'm just gonna.
True.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Ivy maybe? He knew?
Oh shit, fuck. gonna keep buying. Fuck it. Get this map over.
Let's go.
Yes.
Throwing a grenade.
Okay, that's nice. Oh my god.
Go crazy then.
Oh yeah, right to your right. Oh yeah.
Wait a minute.
It ain't over till it's over.
I think they go B.
Oh, God.
Ninety 9 and 2 is crazy.
With the M4?
No, with the Eagle.
One Ivy.
Deploying
Might be there.
One Ivy.
flashbang.
I think it's two Ivy now. Nice. Yep.
Yeah, one more.
Oh yeah, reposition. Oh yeah.
Wait a minute, we're supposed to be losing this game.
Still no deal. Trae Young's mine.
No.
I don't want that shit. Ice in my veins. Stop stopping!
Fucking joke, man.
If I get clapped here,
Weight room
I
does,
swear to
yo.
God.
Weight room, sure your weight room does. Look at us with like 3 hezzies, man.
It's B!
There's one here on me.
Well, handle it.
Wait.
You're right. Nice.
Possibly. Oh yeah,
Is it
bomb.
really on B?
What are we doing now?
Wait, where's bomb? Where's bomb? I see it.
Bomb
I see it. I see it. I see it. Oh.
Oh!
No!
Fuck, that
Right there,
scared the
right up
shit
the
out
hole.
of me. In the hole.
Don't
Yeah,
you
nice.
know it. In the hole. In the hole.
Alright.
Any cool gun? Wait.
Stop, bro! I need that gun. No! That's twice in one round, bro.
It's like this shit hitting the gym real quick, man. You've been boxing out drove the whole night, bro.
That's crazy.
Guys boxed out the fucking D1 right
Weight
there.
room
D1
does
defense.
nice, bro.
Fucking D1
Stopped and when I
scout
get
report.
it stopped again, I was like, oh fuck.
Holy fuck.
No, two. Star. Star.
I'm blind as
Star.
shit.
Star. Star. Nice. One more. One more. You see his legs?
I know I was reloading.
Oh no.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I could drop somebody here.
Drop it low. Drop it low.
He needs to drop.
Peter,
There's
do
CJ. Oh, he just stole it?
No, I have it. I have it.
Classic orange.
Come on, orange. Natanda pa to you.
One.
Jeez, I fell down.
Nice. Dude.
That's bomb. He's there, Sam. He's there.
CC sided map. This is definitely CT sided.
It's a
Oh,
lot
fucking
easier,
hell.
yeah.
Oh, yo, Sam, look at this blue gem. Where you at? It's kind of blue gem.
Oh, I've seen it already. I've seen it.
Have you seen it? Looks
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, they have the
Skidoo
fucking
one
little time out, dude.
Case hardened?
Yeah,
Cock
see it?
hardened.
it's clean.
See?
Oh, boy just left. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Keep it. Where's M4?
How do I get rid of this? Oh.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, it's somewhat.
It's somewhat of a blue gem. It's not full, but clean though.
I'll go B.
Didn't Darwin have a case hardened too?
No.
No? Oh, I thought you did.
Not that I remember. Never remember having Darwin having one.
Shit. I don't even know the callouts for this map, man.
Train.
Hey, over there.
Oh, one's in here. Oh, nice. Bomb. We have bomb.
Dude, bomb. Coming.
We have bomb even lower.
Last one.
Pro flash.
Oh,
Okay. AK.
Oh, sure.
There's no way we win this match, right, guys?
Maybe. I heard Trey Young was on the line.
There you go. Keep his name out your
Oh,
mouth.
that changes everything. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Double up.
He's there. Last guy there. Last guy there.
Let's go. Good trade, TJ.
Come on, Trey Young.
No.
He's coming. He's coming.
Here's a-
Them young boys coming. Thank you.
They come.
Young boys come. Fucking drunk.
Crazy work.
Who said that again?
Charles
Oh,
Barkley.
Barkley.
Yeah.
I know, man. Them young boys coming. They coming hard.
Yo, that's crazy.
And then Shaq's face.
Shaq, yeah, Shaq.
Pause.
So fast.
We light it up, up. We light it up.
I like the play here.
Good Molly. Good Molly.
I'm gonna go to B already.
Do it.
Oh, lot Ivy, lot Ivy. At least 4. No weapon hit.
Going T spawn
Are they going to?
or CT spawn.
I just flashed myself. No big deal.
They're on B. They're on
They
B.
come from our spawn, yeah, they come from our spawn.
Bah, con one. One con.
Nice shot. Good try.
Oh, heaven. Heaven to your right. Yeah, he's up there. Up there.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, let's get on site. Let's get on site.
There he is.
Oh.
Holy fuck. This
Made
guy
it
is
count.
fucking-
Damn.
They had a fucking lurker on the stay back.
Yeah.
Nigger.
Yeah.
Abusive. There you go. teleported, didn't
More stars. Let's go. Oh, I got almost 2 stars.